Hi friends, this video shows how to fix mobile data on but internet not working issue in Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, select connections, select mobile networks, select access point names. So here you can see access point names. On top right corner you can see three dots. Tap on these three dots, then tap on reset to default. Tap here. So here you can see reset APN settings. Tap on this reset. Tap here. Done. APN settings reset to default. After this operation we can check internet. Internet should work. So this way we can easily fix mobile data on but internet not working issue in Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Please check it.